So I'm hella stoked. My Los Panchitos came today. I ordered them with 650 valve springs, and well, that's about it. Got a little excited and started to open one, but what do you expect? This is my first unboxing on YouTube, so fucking deal with it. Just to get an idea of what's going on here. This is one of the new Empis heads. This isn't a GTV or anything like that. I forget what model number these are, but these are the 40 by 35.5 stainless steel. These are 90.5s. And I did a little blending on these, opened up the exhaust and all that, ran these. They were pretty nice, man. My freaking motor jammed. It was a 1904 cc. Anyway, I just did the angle single high revs, pro molly keepers, blah blah blah. And then this is an AA head. I just got these. I've never run them, and I opened these up quite a bit. It's like, whoa! Actually, the Empis are pretty open too, but not quite this much. Yeah, these 043 castings are pretty freaking many. They're a lot different than the OG ones, that's for sure. Not too shabby for somebody that, just is winging it. But yeah, I did a little more than blend on these. So anyway, I don't have a flow bench or anything like that, but I'm pretty certain the way these things ran, I know that these things are gonna kick ass, but I'm curious to see what these are all about. Spencer. Horrible camera action. It's the phone. What do you expect? Alright. Los Panchitos. Nice. It's definitely clean. It's a nice cast too. Everything's nice and smooth. That's one thing about the Empis cast. Look really good. It's like if you look at it, there's like it almost looks like a stock head, you know what I mean? Like an OG head. It's got like a lot of magnesium in it or something, as opposed to these Chinese heads. These things are they're not cast very well. They're all runny and stuff. I had to send one set back already, and then this set, the reason I'm not going to run them is just after porting them and everything and looking at them, it's like I'm going to have to do a little bit of welding or brazing or something on it, because they're kind of wavy, you know what I mean? Like right along here, down in here on either side of the exhaust, right on the exhaust, just going out, it's like really super thin right here. So I'm gonna beef those up before I do anything with them. But so I went ahead and ordered these because I'm just sick of screwing around. These I'm just gonna do a little cleanup if they even need them. But yeah, and I got brand new from CB Performance as well. I got what was I lying about? Oh yeah, I got the reversed manifolds, and I got a brand new set of Weber 44 IDFs and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, yeah, what? So yeah, this new motor, everything is all new. It's a new case, full flow, freaking billet freaking AN fittings out the wazoo, dude. The braided lines and blah 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 blah. I'm doing a bunch of stuff to my car. Maybe I'll start filming it. I started to, and then I just kind of slacked off. So anyway, yep, these are the new CB Performance heads in the dark. See, I'm just digging on these, man. Just digging on them. They look really super nice. Let me get a flashlight. Customer's bus. Let's see here. It's a mess in here, so I'm not freaking. I'm doing the sound damping in my car, and I just have all the backing paper all over the ground right now, and it's a freaking mess. Well, I grabbed like the only flashlight that freaking sucks, or what, dude? Alright, let's find another one. It's not like I don't have more. Let's see here. Try one of these little Harbor Freight buddies, man. These little Hickam. Oh, here we go. This did'll work. Don't look at the floor. Don't look at it. It's a mess. Okay, here we go. Not too shabby, dude, for just being cast and no CNC or anything. I mean, there's really not much for me to do in there at all. I'm not gonna get wild in there. I mean, they're already supposedly flow like 620, and I'm running a 120 cam with 125 rockers, you know, 90.5s and blah blah blah. Let's see. Here's the Empis heads that I did a long time ago. I started to do a little bit more in there, and I was like, these are going in the bus that's right there. Dude's gonna be stoked. I'm gonna make a nice little torquey 1904 for that one. I've got a case that's only 2,000th over fresh align bore. My bad, 1,000th over fresh align bore. So yeah, here's the AA heads though. I mean, I open these fuckers up, dude. They're pretty. Somebody that knows something will be all, you freaking lame, you did it all wrong and blah blah blah. But you know, I wasn't done. You know, like I said, I just kind of stopped and was like, you know. Maybe like this. How's a cool way to do it? Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's the way. These are gonna freaking jam, dude. They're like what, 620 or something off the shelf. So that's fine. Anyway, that's all I got. There's one more to open. I guess I'll do it. It's not really an unboxing unless you take something out of the box, right? Is that how that works? Should put this on a tripod, but I'm just too impatient. Too impatient to make it easy. Too impatient to make it make sense. There it is, kids. Brand spanking Nubians. Important notice, inspect, Facebook or some shit, blah blah. Yeah, we don't need all that, but let's see here. So yeah, it was only $809 out the door, delivered. What'd I get? Let me see it without giving you guys my frickin' address and shit. Pretty cheap. I was surprised, man. I was like, holy fuck bags, you know. So yeah, whatever. Super grip valves. I guess they have the one dealio. 650 springs, dude. Chrome on the retainers. Blah blah blah. Yeah, I didn't bother having them reshape or anything or CC the heads because I gotta do deck height, you know, and set my deck height and all that bullshit and figure it out. I think I'm gonna go like, I don't know, just the way gas is. I'm thinking 8 to 5 to 1, but it's like everything I read up on is like my combination really wants 9 to 5 to 1, so maybe I'll just kind of split the difference and go 9-0. I don't know, man. Anyway, that's it, man. Crappy video, but brand new CB Performance heads. What?